ed when it is on the end of a word ถ้าเราเห็น ed ตอนสุดท้ายของคำหมายถึงว่าเรื่องนั้นผ่านไปแล้ว so it can make either the sound ed or the sound d, two sounds. But how do we know what sound it's going to make when we read it? This is how. ถ้าคำนั้นลงท้ายกับตัว t หรือว่าตัว d จะออกเสียง ed. So, let's go through our words and see if we're going to read it as ed or d. Okay? Let's take miss. Miss. Does it end in a D or a T? No. So we're going to put it over here. And it's going to make the D sound, almost as if we don't hear the E. Missed. Missed. Not missed. We don't say missed. Let's take the next one. Need. Does need end in a D or a T? Yeah, it does. So we are going to put it over here, and we are going to make the ed sound on the end. Need, ed. Needed, needed. How about want? Well, it ends in a T again, as we see here. The word ends in a T. So we are going to say wanted, wanted. Decided. There it ends in a D again. So we are going to say decide ed. Decided. How about asked? That ends in a K, not a D or a T. So we're going to put it over here. And we're going to say D on the end. Asked. Asked. Almost as if that E is not there. And lastly, can you try talked? Does it go under the D sound or under the ed sound? You're right. It goes under the D